On Tuesday, we discussed how Patricia Polacco got ideas for her books from her own life. Today, I would like for you, during your activity time, to write a letter to Janelle Cannon, who's the author of the books that we read this week. The letter you can see on my screen says, Dear Janelle Cannon, our class read 4 of your books this week. We really enjoyed reading Stella Luna, Penduli, Crickwing, and Verdi. We have been learning that many authors get ideas for their books from their own lives, and we have a few questions for you about that. And then I put in parentheses, please write the questions you have for Janelle Cannon. So you're going to come up with the questions you have. Are you wondering, does she like animals? Or where did she get these ideas? Does she have them as pets? What are the things you're thinking? And then you'll sign it sincerely, and then you'll put your name at the bottom.